Hi, it's Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time we finished up the back solving series and today we're going to be doing the plug-in method. Let's not waste any time. Take a look at the question in front of you. Which of the following is an equation of line L in the xy plane above? They've given us the graph of a line and they've asked us for its equation. You probably know how to solve this using linear algebra, but let's not waste any time talking about that and move straight to the plug-in method. It's basically the opposite of back solving. In back solving, we took values from the answer choices and put them into the question. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to take values from the question and put them into the answer choices. I'm going to show you how. Let's pick 2 points on this line that are going to make things easy for us. I'm going to pick the intercepts since one coordinate is 0. And we're going to see which of the equations in the answer choices is satisfied by both of those points. Let's take option A. I've already written down our points in the whiteboard, so we don't waste any time. Option A says x minus y is negative 4. Okay, let's go. First point, 0, negative 4. X is 0, y is negative 4. 0 minus negative 4. This is plus 4. That's not the option. Therefore, A is immediately eliminated since the first point doesn't satisfy it. Let's take a look at option C. X plus y is equals to negative 4. C, x plus y is equal to negative 4. Now let's take a look at the first point. 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4. First point satisfies it. Let's take a look at the second point. Negative 4 and 0. Negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. That also satisfies it. That means we found our answer choice. The correct answer is C. So mark that. Now that I've shown you how to use the plug-in method, see if you can solve this problem right here. I've got to warn you, it's a fair bit trickier than the last one and you're going to have to use the plug-in method multiple times. But I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video.